What if this was the whole video?
Yes.
Okay guys, welcome back to another episode of Randy Billy Garage. This is a very special one. We are here to review a product. Now we've partnered with a company called AUTOONE LED, and they have very kindly sent us some LED lights to review. I just put that right in front of Billy's face. I was like, Tch. Anyway, so we're gonna review these on Billy's Honda Civic Si. These are part number 9006/HB4. They have all kinds of different LED light bulbs for whatever you need. So we'll show you guys, we'll just record the whole thing where we're taking it apart and installing it, and then we'll show you a before and after. So let's get to it. So we're gonna start, basically any Honda that you have, you're gonna have to pull the whole front bumper off, almost all of them. For whatever reason, Honda likes to do that. A lot of times you also have to pull the headlight all the way out to get it out. We were given low beam headlights for this, which is what we're going to swap. And they provided us with this one, which it was I think a $50 value or something like that. They didn't say, please give us a good review or anything. They said, just try it. These are LEDs. They're not halogens or xenons or whatever. These are just an LED. Please go to their website, look at what they've got, try it out for yourself if you want. I will leave an affiliate link in the description, and you can also use, to get 15% off, you can use our coupon code, Randy Billy Garage, all one word, all capital letters. We're going to go ahead and open it up, show you guys what's in here while Billy gets to work. So these are called the LED Light E5 series. Do I know what that means? No, not at all. I do know that it is a very fancy, nice looking box though. Very well packaged. Shunk. Ooh, would you look at that, Billy? Oh my god. Dude. They included the white glove treatment for us. Well, I can't not wear those.
Yeah.
They've even got purple trim. They're very stretchy. These are comfortable. Oh no, I shot it. What have I done? This whole review is just going off the rails. Alright, they got a little bit dirty, but put my fancy white gloves on. Which is funny because with these being LEDs, you don't need gloves to protect the bulbs. On a regular bulb you do, because on a regular bulb the oils from your hands can get on it and cause it to pop. So there's E5 series LED light product manual. It says looks like it's got installation steps for each and every type of bulb. We're gonna go to, what are these? 9006/HB4. So these would be included with page 3. Gonna go to page 3 right here. Installation steps: remove the original bulb. Remove the dust cover if you have. Disconnect the plugs. Turn the bulb counterclockwise, then take out the original bulb. Alright, then step 2. Line up the tab parts of the LED bulb with the groove sections of the light housing, then insert the LED bulb. While pressing down the LED bulb, turn it clockwise until it locks in place, and then step 4 is connect the bulb. I do really like how they've packaged these. Let's take them out and look at them. Those are nice. Now you can see it's a flat wedge style. It's got an LED on each side, and it's got a tiny little fan right in here on the top, which is good. You can see that it draws air in from one side and blows it out on each side right here. That's very good design. It's just a simple 2-prong. They look good. I've used a lot of LED bulbs in different cars before. They've gotten very good in recent years, and this one looks to be one of the better designed ones. A lot of them, they've got this big huge heat sink that just gets in the way. You can't even fit it in the housing, and the fan is usually not very well designed for airflow to keep everything cool. But this one looks good, and I can't wait to see how these work out. That thing never isn't sexy to look at. Would you just look at it? Gosh. So that's our two bulbs. This is our old 9006, this is our new one. Put the new ones in, see how they do. Oh wow. Those are significantly brighter.
Yeah.
So you like it, Billy?
So far, yeah.
Definitely a better choice, and it doesn't give you any issues when you turn it on.
I don't see anything. The blinkers still go at the right speed. They're not going bip, 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 bip.
And it still shows you your high beams when you turn the high beams and everything. Yep. Yeah. So turn your high beams on. Yeah, for reference, that's his high beams. Turn them back off. His low beams are almost as bright as his high beams now, but anyway, so AUTOONE LED, go to AUTOONELED.com and pick yourself up a set of headlights. Use coupon code RandyBillyGarage, all one word, capital letters, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, and like, subscribe, all that. We'll see you guys later.